Today's question is next greater element first. So the question is the next greater element of some element x for each return an array answer of random set answer is described above. Okay, so the task is here. For each element in this array we have to find the next greater element to the right of it, and we have to return the answer in this specific order. That can be doable by map. We will come to. Imagine a classroom where all students are standing in a line. Each student has a number written on their chest. Okay, this one is written 8, 2, 5 like this. The class teacher assigns a class representative one job. For a given student, find the next student on the right who is taller. If no one is taller, then return -1. Okay, so the class teacher will ask that who is the taller student for the student 8? It is student 9. Okay, so CR will start from the left. Student 8 checks everyone on the right, finds 9. For 2 it will find 5. For 5 it will find again 9. And this continues for every student. The CR walks the entire remaining line again and again. This means for n student, the CR may do n checks each time. It will be very slow, and certainly teacher won't be very happy. Here something important is every student only care about what's on their right. So instead of starting from the left, why not start from the right? But the CR is remembering only useful candidates. Okay, so what the CR will do? CR will maintain a stack. Stack will always keep a student greater than the current one. If a student is smaller or equal, remove them because they will be useless for the CR. So CR will maintain a stack keeping this greater than the current one, keeping only the student greater than the current one. If a student is smaller or equal, CR will remove them because they are useless. So from left to right we'll start with 1. In the case of 1, stack is empty, result will be -1. So -1 is the result. Then for the 7, and we will put obviously 1 here, then 1 here. Then for 7, 7 is greater than 1, so it is useless. We will remove it, and the stack is again empty, so it will be -1. And we will put 7 here. Then for 4, it will be 4. It will be 7 because the 7 is the greater, and we will put 4 here. Then for 6, we will remove 4 because it is useless, and then it is 7, which is greater than 6, so answer will be 7. Then for 9, we will remove 9. The stack is empty, so again answer is -1. Okay, for 3, and we will put obviously 9 here. For 3, it is 9 again, and we will put 3 here. Okay, for 5, we will remove 3 because it is useless, and the answer will be 9, and we will put the 5 here. For 2, we will put the 5 here in the answer, and 2 on the top. For 8, 2 is useless, 5 is useless, 9. So 9 is the answer. So this is the final result. This is the array for each student which hold the value which is the greater student to their right. Now the question is to return the answer in a specific manner. For example, we have to result in this manner. For example, let's our input is 4, 6, 1. So we have to give for student 4, which is the greater, it's 7. So we'll put 7. For student 6, which is greater, it is 7. And for 1, it is -1. Basically, the teacher is asking, give me only answer for 3 student, Ramesh, Suresh, and Shailesh. So that's what we are going to give the answer. Okay, so that's all. Now last video. So in this video, we are only just going to do the code. So let's start. In order to store the result in specific order, let's keep your index, let's keep the stack, and as I said, we will start from right. Let's populate the map for first, so we can know where to keep our result all the time. Okay, so okay, so what we will do, we will first check whether the element is present in the stack or not. If element is not present in the stack, then we will give the answer -1. If the element is present in the stack, then we will check if it is greater than 7. If it is greater than the current element, if it is greater than its answer. If it is not, then we will pop out. Okay, so if while st.empty false and end st.top is greater than nums2.i, st.top is greater than nums2.i, we will pop st.pop. If st.empty, we have to keep the result of result enter result nums1.size 0. And let's just put the temp equal to -1. If st.temp is not empty, then temp equal to st.top. Okay, now we will check if element is present. Next, now we will check that if do we want answer for 3? No, we don't want answer for 3. We want answer for 3. Yes, we want answer for 3. So index of nums2.i is not equal to index.find. Index.end. That means we have to put it. So nums nums of index dot nums2 index of nums2 dot I, okay, equal to temp, and then we'll push that will be the stack nums I. So that's all.